Are you tired of the same old repetitive meal prep routine? Do you find yourself longing for fresh and exciting vegetarian meal ideas that are not only easy to prepare, but also bursting with flavor? Well, today we are thrilled to present 3 extraordinary recipe ideas that will transform your meal prep experience. These exceptional dishes are not only incredibly delicious, but also remarkably simple to make, guaranteeing that they will become your go-to favorites in no time. So without further ado, let's dive right in. For number 1, we have quinoa salad. This meal idea is loaded with veggies and proteins. Quinoa is a complete protein containing all 9 essential amino acids. It's also high in fiber and low in fat, making it a great choice for a healthy meal. We will toss the quinoa with chopped cucumbers, cherry tomatoes, red onion, and feta cheese, then dress it with a simple vinaigrette made from olive oil, lemon juice, and Dijon mustard. If you don't have mustard, just add a touch of chili. Then add salt and pepper to taste. Start small and adjust it to your taste. Next up, we're going to show you how to make delicious vegetarian lasagna. For this meal, you will need 9 lasagna noodles, 1 can of diced tomatoes, 1 liter of tomato salsa, 1 bigger eggplant, 2 middle-sized zucchini, 1 red onion, 3 cloves of garlic, 1 cup of ricotta cheese, 250 grams of shredded mozzarella cheese, 150 grams of grated parmesan, 7 basil leaves, 2.5 deciliter of water, 3 tablespoons of olive oil, and salt and pepper to taste. To start, preheat your oven to 190 degrees Celsius. Then slice the eggplant and zucchini into thin rounds. Cut the onion into small pieces and mince the garlic. Heat some olive oil in a large pan and saute the onion and garlic until they become translucent. Add the diced tomatoes and cook for 10 minutes on medium heat, and then add the tomato salsa and basil to the pan and let it simmer for a few minutes. In a separate pan, cook the eggplant and zucchini slices until they are lightly browned. Season them with salt and pepper to taste. In a mixing bowl, combine the ricotta cheese and half of shredded mozzarella cheese. To assemble the lasagna, spread a layer of tomato sauce on the bottom of a baking dish. Then, layer 8 lasagna noodles on top, add a layer of the cooked eggplant and zucchini slices. Then spread a layer of the ricotta cheese mixture on top and repeat this process until you have used up all your ingredients. Top the lasagna with the remaining shredded mozzarella cheese, pour water on the sides of the lasagna to soften the pasta before baking. Cover the baking dish with foil and bake in the preheated oven for 25 minutes. Remove the foil and bake for further 10 minutes or until the cheese is melted and bubbly. Let the lasagna cool down for a few minutes, and if you wish, add a little more grated parmesan. And your dish is now ready to be served. Lastly, the third recipe that we have for you is lentil soup. The ingredients that you will need are as follows: 250 grams of dry green lentils, 1.2 liter of vegetable broth, 1 onion, 2 carrots, 2 stalks of celery, 2 cloves of garlic, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of ground red pepper, 1 teaspoon of dried thyme or 2 sprigs fresh, 2 bay leaves, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and salt and pepper to taste. First, rinse the lentils with cold water and let them drain. Next, chop the onion, carrots, celery, and garlic into small pieces. Then, heat the olive oil in a large pot, add the onion, garlic, and fry for 1 minute at a medium temperature. Then add the carrots and celery and fry for another 1 minute. Once the soup is cooked, divide it into meal prep containers and store them in the fridge for up to 4 days. 3 delightful vegetarian meal prep recipes that offer a diverse range of flavors and ingredients, providing you with fantastic assortment to choose from. But why stop here? If you're hungry for more inspiring vegetarian recipes and valuable meal prep tips, we invite you to check out our other videos. Discover a wonderful selection of delicious dishes. Show your support by hitting the like button and subscribe if you enjoyed these recipes. We value your input, so don't hesitate to leave a comment below. Thanks again for watching, and we will see you in the next video. Happy cooking, take care, and goodbye.